What's up, YouTube? This is a brand new pair of Sennheiser Momentum wireless. I believe they're the 2s. They're quite good, I've heard, and I have a pair of Jordans in the background just in case you're missing the sneaker content on my YouTube. And if you're new to the channel, there's a lot of sneaker content, but today we're doing a headphone unboxing. These are not just any pair of headphones, they're quite a high quality pair. They got a nice little leather strap up there. This is all like steel. It's good quality. Great cushioning, I've heard. We're gonna open these up, and if you subscribe to the channel, you might get a review on these at some point if that's something you're interested in. This is just gonna be an unboxing of these headphones. There will be a review coming later, depending on how I feel about them. So let's get right in here and break the seal open. Ooh, that was definitely quite intriguing. Okay, let's go ahead and open this box up. I could do it quicker, but where's the fun in that? Maybe I can't. I see the issue. This had to have been pushed down, and now it's functioning. As you can see, the headphones come with a beautiful carrying case. Let's just pull them out of here. Nice little silica pouch to avoid moisture. Instruction manual booklet down here inside. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for. The headphones themselves, they come in a nice little pouch here. And the accessories. Let's see what we get. We get a nice little headphone cable here. That's important if your Bluetooth is not working and you don't have NFC, I believe. Charging cable, micro USB, similar to the PlayStation 4. More silica, and most importantly, an airplane adapter. If you haven't seen one of these before, that means you're quite young. It's like 2 headphone plugs, and then you put your headphones in there. Those are left and right channels. Put that all back where it belongs. Let's open up these headphones for the first time. And maybe you can grab a pair for yourself. So a link to purchase these will be available in the description on Amazon. It's an affiliate marketing link, to be honest with you. Same with the shoes. Affiliate marketing link to purchase them on StockX. There we go with the headphones. They do come with this little foam here as to not damage the inner portion of the headphones, considering they have metal frames. These are really nice. I would have thought that they would have like actual plastic on them. I believe they do right there. They're covered in plastic. These are quite nice headphones. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. The stitching is a little imperfect right there. I don't know if you can see that. Things that bother JJ's level. Imperfect stitching right there. Outside of that, I'm pretty sure these headphones will be amazing. I've heard great things. I've tried the older pair on and they were quite special. There is a third generation of this headphone out now, but I don't know. Haven't used it yet. Can't really speak about it. These fold quite nicely. If you could feel the weight of these, you'd really know, you'd really understand what I mean by, this is a quality pair of headphones. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the link in the description if you want a fancy pair of headphones like these for yourself. I'll put a link to purchase the new ones and the current version in my hands. The new ones are $600, by the way. Let me know if you think I should review them or unbox them. I believe that's like an NFC thing. I'm not sure. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.